Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube family. This is part 4 of our data science project, and we are using Power BI and MySQL Workbench for this project. So basically it is a Power BI project in our data science course. And we are using Power BI and MySQL Workbench with a data set. And if you watch my first video, we will discuss the data set that we are using, and we are using a London Fire Brigade data set. So if you go to my channel, and you will see this playlist, and inside this playlist I have this playlist created of this whole project. So if you are beginner in Power BI and MySQL Workbench, you don't need to worry, because I teach you this project as a beginner level from scratch to high level. Okay, so now let's start to our project. In my previous videos, I will show you how you can create this type of dashboard, and we run these queries. So if you did not watch my previous videos, please watch my that videos. And I quickly give you a little overview of my whole project, as I use this query to select the data, and you will see here the data set. I will show you quickly my data set, and we are using the same data set in this SQL Workbench and also in Power BI. If you see, you can view this. Here is our data set. So we make some visualization here, and then we test the answer of Power BI using this MySQL queries. So if you did not watch my previous videos, please go and watch these videos. And the today video topic is DAX, which is data analysis expression. So I am going to show you how you can use DAX in Power BI, and what is DAX actually, and how we write different formulas using DAX. Okay, so now let's start. And you will see we have three types of partition in this Power BI. And the first one is report view, and the second one is table view, and the third one is model view. So we are going to work in this table view. So you open this, click on this table view, and when you click on it, you can see this type of data set. We import this data set from the Excel sheet. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I create some new column here and apply some formulas using our DAX language. Okay, so here is, you can see in the table tool, you have the option new column. Click on this, and you will see the new column is created. This time there is no value in this column. Okay, so now I am going to apply some formulas, and you will see in this column you can see this type of blank here. We write some formulas here. Okay, so the very first formula which we are going to use is addition. And like if you want to add two columns, then how you can add, and here you can use the sheet, as we know that all the columns are present inside this sheet. So you use the sheet here, or you can use the column which you want to add. So I want to add this pump column and pump hour roundup, just to show you how you can use and how you can work with DAX. So you can write here pump and it will show you this. You can select it, then you use the add button, and then you can write the other column name, which is pump hours. So simply you can write here, and you will see you have the options, all the options. So I select on it, and at the end you can press enter, or you can click on this tick icon. So I simply click on enter, and it is working on it, and you will see that it counts all these two columns and then show the answer in this column. Like you will see that here the pump count is 2 and pump hours roundup is 1. So when it add, it gives 3, then 1 and 1 2, 2 and 1 3, and it gives you whole addition. So this is our first formula, which is used to add 2 columns. Okay, now I am going to create another column to perform some other formulas. Okay, now this column is created. You will see here the new column. Column is not created. Actually, I am going to click again. Okay, so now the column is created. Now I am going to show you how you can use the sum function. Like the sum function is used if you want to sum the whole value of one column. Like if we want to sum this over, then you can select this, and at the end you have to insert this closing bracket like this, and now you can press the enter, and you can click on this tick. Okay, so basically this sum function is used when you want to sum the whole values inside one column. So it sum all the hours, like these all the hours, and put in whole in all the rows, and you will see the answer. It put the same answer to all the rows because it sum all the column, and then it put in all the rows. And if you want to watch, you can see here it put the answer in all the rows. So if you want to count some column, then you can use this sum function. Okay, now I am going to create a new column. First, so click on this new column, and I want to show you the average function, which is like this average. Then you can select the column name. So again I show you this column, which is over. Then use this bracket to close this bracket, and then you can click on tick, and you will see that it show you the average. Similarly, you can use max function, min function, and there are other functions you can use if you want to create a new column in your table. Okay, but if you don't want to create a new table, then you can simply go to your visualization, and here you can create a new measure. If you simply want to calculate some values but you don't want to create a new column, then you can use a new measure. So in the previous video I will show you how you can create the new measure, but once again I will show you how you can do that. Like, you have to right click on it, and then you can use this new measure. Basically, the new measure is used when you want to create some formula, and you can give the name of your measure. We can give the name like sum of hours. If you want to sum the hours, then you can use this sum, and then you can use this the column name, which is hour, and then you can simply close this bracket. Then you need to press the enter and it start working on it. Then it shows this measure in this side, like where is it, sum of hours. Here you can see that it is showing the sum of hour. So this type of measures you can create to use in your visualization if you need. Like, you will see that the columns we are created in this data set here, and you will see that we are seeing this column here. So we can use this column in our visualization if you want to need it. And also you can create a measure. Okay, now come to here. So what this column is doing, it's sum whole hours, but you have another function which is sum x. If you use it like this with sum x, so you can see this type of error because the sum x function takes two parameters. The first one is the sheet name, like where the data. So we have this sheet. You need to write this sheet name here, and then put the comma, and then you need to put this. Okay, so now press enter and we will see what is the changes. Okay, so now here is no change because we did not give anything here. Here, if you want to multiply the hours with the if you want to multiply the power with pump count, here we write pump count, then click enter. So it shows the whole numbers, but the sum x is used it takes each row and perform the operation, like it take the hour, first hour, which is 0, and then it take pump hour roundup, which is 1, then multiply both and then give you the answer. I don't know why it is giving the whole answer to all the rows. Maybe here we have some mistake, but leave it. Sum x is used like this. Okay, so in the new column I am going to create another new column where I perform some other functions, and here we have another column, and here you can use minimum, then you can use your column name, then this close and bracket and hit enter. And you will see this whole column, and then put the minimum value to all. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like the whole technique of using formulas. You can use two different types. One you can create here numerator, and the other thing you can create the formulas in the column. So I hope you understand these videos. If you have any question, you can write a comment and I will answer you. I hope you like this video. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.